Hey, what's going on, guys? Engine Fiver here, coming at you with another Lego video. Today, guys, I'm just going to be going over my entire fleet right now. I hit halfway a little while ago, and I'm now actually over halfway completion. So it's kind of crazy to see how far I've come. I'm now about 7 engines. I'm at 7 3/4. I got one in the works right there. And then I've got 3 ladder trucks. Hopefully I'll have 4 ladder trucks by Christmas. But yeah, let's run through this. There have been a lot of changes in the fleet lately. A lot of my older trucks have turned into reserve companies, and newer stuff has taken their place. At headquarters, new engine 17. Here it is. This recently got striped. This is the old engine 16. I think that the striping just makes this truck look fantastic. It looks just, I cannot stop looking at it. It looks so good in my opinion. It says 17 right here. That's actually the only decal that I got on it. I gotta get another sheet of decals soon, because I think I got 3 trucks to decal. So yeah, it's missing hard suction, but I just think it looks awesome. One thing that's kind of bothering me is that these are not the same height, but unfortunately it's like that in real life. So yeah, that's kind of bugging me, but what are you gonna do? This side, I don't know why, but the striping doesn't look as good as it does on the other side. But yeah, I love this truck recently. I used to not like it, but ever since I got it striped, I think that it's just changed the whole personality of the truck. Next up, we've got Rescue 11. Gotta be my oldest standing truck, although it looks completely different than when I first built it. Recently, it just got some red rims put on. I haven't been able to find too many red rims on Bricklink, so I had to buy the helicopter transport set, which gives you 12 red rims. So I don't know, I can't complain. But I think that the red rims make this truck look really, really good. It's been updated. It says Brickchester Fire Department on the sides now instead of Brickford. The back is the same. And then here's the other side. It's still fully equipped. I don't want to run through the cabinets because then the video will be 20 minutes long. But yeah, that's it for headquarters. Hopefully I'll get another Protectives truck in there soon. Maybe after Christmas I'll build one. Then we've got Battalion 2, which is now a Chevy Tahoe. In real life it's actually a Ford Expedition, but the old ones are Tahoes, so I decided to build a Tahoe just because I like the Tahoes better. It says Brickchester. If you're from Instagram, you've seen this. I think the front looks absolutely wonderful on this truck. I think I nailed the Tahoe look, but it's just my opinion. Here's the Gator. The Gator hasn't changed either. Let me just show you the back of the back of Battalion 2 just says B2. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to make a whole video about it just because it's kind of a small truck. But yeah, here's that and the Gator. that's with engine 13 and truck 10. You'll notice that truck 10 isn't in its station right now. It's actually got a reserve company. So, like I said in the beginning, I'm trying to get rid of the old and bring in the new. This truck has been turned into a reserve. The new truck 10 will be coming in hopefully around Thanksgiving before Christmas. It's going to be a 95-foot E1 platform, rear mount platform. So, yeah. Here's this truck. The only real changes that I've made to it is that it now says R on the sides, the back and the front, instead of 10. It's still the same exact thing. Don't worry, I don't intend on taking this apart. This will be a reserve truck in my fleet for a long, long time. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for that truck. I still love this thing, though. I love it. This was the first truck that I really snapped on the cabinetry. So, yeah. Come on. Fitting it into a tight space here. Here is engine 13. This truck hasn't changed. This is, I gotta build like a couple more of these trucks. So, yeah, expect to see a lot more of these Rosenbauers, small engine companies, coming to the department. But, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing's changed with it. Next up, truck 2. Since you guys have seen this, nothing has changed. No, that's not true. I put a Blitz fire nozzle on it, but other than that, I don't think anything's changed with it. Here it is. Pretty awesome truck. Really proud of how this came out in Lego. Really just right in comparison with the real thing. You know, a perfect replica, if I say so myself. Next up is engine 10. Here that is. This truck needs rims and decals. It's missing a lot. I just don't have any more ones. So hopefully I'll be able to get another decal sheet, and this truck will have 10 put on it, as well as red rims. But for now, this is how it is. Nothing has changed with this truck as far as my knowledge. So, yeah. And then here is something that I don't think anybody's seen. This is the new Arson investigation unit. It's a Ford F550. In real life, the Arson investigation unit is actually a Chevy Sprinter, a van, like one of those big vans. Wait, is it I think it might be a Ford. I don't know. It's one of those like kind of big box vans. And the only reason that this isn't one of those is just because this actually started out as just something that I was kind of building out of boredom, and it turned into an arson investigation unit. I plan on keeping this for a little bit. I really like the way it looks. Really like how it turned out for just a little boredom build. says AIU, Brickchester Fire Department. It's got emergency lights, little light bar in back. These open up. I know the back looks kind of weird, but yeah. So that's it for that. Truck 5, which is actually just truck 4 that's been redecaled. Truck 4 is turning into a platform, so the city's gonna have 2 platforms. I should be building that soon. Hopefully after truck 10. It's gonna be a twin to truck 10. So yeah, here's this truck. It hasn't changed other than the T5 instead of T4. I really want to get some ladder boards done for this truck. Just haven't really found the time, and I'm very much hurting on decals. So yeah. So there's that. And then engine 3 is with this truck, is with truck 5 right now. And then the MIDI is at the Academy, but that won't be for long. Engine 3's quarters are being refurbished, so Engine 3 stays with truck 5 for now. This truck is pretty much complete. It's got decals, red rims, and striping, so the only thing it's missing is like real hose. Here it is. Nothing's really changed. It's a twinned engine 10. So, yep. And then we get into new truck 5. Excuse me, new engine 5. So here it is. It's a twinned engine 13. If you've seen engine 13, you've seen engine 5 for the most part. The only difference is that it says 5 instead of 13. So, yeah, let's try to get it in the light. There we go. I gotta do the flag. It's gonna get an American flag put on it. Then, yeah, and it needs hose. So yeah, that's it for that. Now here's the old engine 5, decaled as a reserve company now. It says R instead of 5, so that's going to be the only difference there. Actually, no, I figured out how to put a hard suction length here. Looks really cool. Here's the rear. This is still a frontline reserve engine company, so it's gonna stay with hose and ladders and stuff. Right now I have it in place for engine 7. So, and then here's the old engine 17. This is in place for engine 16. Engine 16's rig is out of service. Out of service is what I'm saying. I just haven't built it. But here it is. It's an old HME, 2005 HME. Truck's 14 years old, which is pretty crazy to think about. 14 years old in real life. So, yep, that is that. And then here's the MIDI, which is decaled as a brush truck, but this was built by WH Area Fire on Instagram. If you guys don't follow him, I recommend you do it. He has some fantastic builds, much better than me. So, yep. That's pretty much it for that. Really quick, guys, before I end the video, if you would like to receive a file, I don't have too many files. The only trucks I have files for, I think, are the engine. I have an engine 10 file, a truck 10 file, and the Rosenbauer Engine 13 file, and that is pretty much it. But and a couple other like miscellaneous trucks like Max and a couple of tower ladders, the Ascendant mid-mount I have as a file. If you guys would like a file, go ahead and DM me on Instagram saying that you saw the new Arson investigation truck. And you will be entitled to receive any one of the files that I have on LDD. Oh, and I have truck 2 on LDD. Sorry. So yeah, so if you've watched this video, go ahead and DM me on Instagram saying that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, you saw the new Arson investigation unit, and you will get your choice of any one of my files. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Please do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn the post notifications on. I've been hurting for views lately. I have, like, you know, a lot of subscribers, but it seems like nobody's really watching my videos. If you could do me a favor and turn post notifications on so that every time I upload a video, you're actually notified, which I think is kind of dumb because YouTube used to, when you subscribe to a channel, send you a notification just because you were subscribed. Now you have to click a whole nother button. Just what's the point of subscribing? Anyways, guys, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, please. Also, do me a favor, like this video, and comment down below what your thoughts are, how you think the fleet is coming. Just love reading you guys' comments, so don't be afraid to type something down there. Even if you noticed like a change that I pointed out that I didn't point out in one of these trucks, go ahead and put it there just so I know to point it out in the next fleet update. Alrighty guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.